Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for review I have this stripper, Jokari. Again, I couldn't find the right way to pronounce it. The price for this is about 25-27 euros in Amazon Germany. It's again made in Germany. I'm not sure you can see all this information like this. We'll try. Part number and other information made in Germany. We can strip. I will show which part is from 8 to 30 millimeters and in imperial, the same sizes. This is, I can say, a little universal tool. You can find a lower model of this without these rubber parts, without this small knife and other features. If you want to see exact features and differences in the models, just go to their website and you can compare them and choose the right model for you. This is like a small, not so sharp knife inside of this plastic case. You can cut simple things, I think the box and other things, or packaging open when you don't have any knives near to your hands. It has like indentation. You can look in this second and third is close, like this blue rubber one. Everything yellow is plastic, good quality plastic. Blue ones is some type of rubber. So other features of this: we can strip wires 0.2, 3, 8, 1.5, 2.5 and maximum 4 millimeter screws. For each one we have holes, and again marking on opposite side. These red buttons, open it, it's spring loaded. With this part we will take out, I will just show the outer part of isolation of the wire. As well, we have this small knife here to cut in, like we need to open the outer part of this very long and very thick wire. We can do this like with this part. It comes through this hole to this one. You can see like this. Put in this direction and like this. You can see. Just a second. You can see how it's cut, but the end is not cut well. I will double off it. This part is specially made for more thicker wires. So when it's thin, when I put in this, like in this direction to have a cut, the blade can go as deep as it planned. But I will try again. No, the wire is too thin for this part. But for this part, I can easily take this isolation out. You're doing like this, rotating, letting them open, like keeping from here, do not push all the way. And you can, just a second, you can like this, take out isolation. I made several cuts because of it. I couldn't took it out again. This is my fault, not stripper one. Like this. This time it's make much more better. Take it out. You can see that nothing is damaged here. Just this lower part, which I smashed the outer part of the wire. Again, the number for this from 8 to 30 millimeters. So it's this about 7 maximum 8 millimeters, the lower end. So this made for a little bit thicker wires too. Let's try. I think this will be 2.5 millimeters. Let's strip. Put, rotate, and take it out. I do not buy this stripper for stripping like this because I have automatic one, which is much more convenient. It's the difficulty to cut thicker wire. Just a couple seconds, and you have this again depth stop. You can get any depth, any length as you wish, maximum 15 millimeters. I bought this stripper for this part and for this part stripping this type of wires. But when you can take only this one, if you do not strip many wires, this part works very well. The only thing is it's more time consuming, and you should put more efforts to each time take out the length, how long you will take out with this stripper compared with this automatic one. So that's it. Quality things made in Germany, German quality. So if you have any question, feel free to ask, and have a nice day. Thank you.